I used to think morning routines were for people who had their life together. Like wake up at 5 a.m., cold shower, meditate an hour, journal 3 pages, read for 30 minutes before 7 a.m. That's not a morning routine. That's a part time job you are doing. So I threw all of it and built something that actually works. Not just for 1 week, but consistently. And the difference it made to my focus, my energy, and my output was genuinely surprising. Today, I am going to show you exactly what I do. The more importantly, why it works. Because once you understand the science behind it, you will never go back to scrolling your phone the first thing again. Here's the one thing that most people get wrong about mornings. They think the goal is to do more in the morning. Pick it with tasks, be productive for a minute, but that's not it. The real goal of morning is to set the condition for everything that comes after it. Your morning doesn't just affect 7 a.m., it affects 2 p.m. It affects how you show up in that meeting, how deep you work, how much energy you have left at the end of the day. Think of your morning like turning an instrument before performance. You're not performing yet, you're making sure when you do. So let's get ahead to my notebook. The single most impactful thing you can do for your morning and your sleep is to pick one wake up time and stick to it. Not a range, not around 7, one time. Your body runs on an internal clock. When you wake up at different time, 7 o'clock on weekdays, 10 o'clock on weekends, your body gets confused. It never knows when to be alert, when to wind up, when to actually rest. You felt like this. Monday morning feels like dead because your body is still weekend mode. Pick one time, hold it for 7 days straight. The next section, get the light first. Within 30 minutes of waking, get outside or sit by a bright window. Not your phone screen, actually daylight. Here's what's happening. Light is basically a signal your brain receives that says, okay, we are awake. Let's go. Let's kick off a whole chain reaction in your body that makes you feel alert, focused. And here's the bonus most people don't know. The same thing that wakes you up in the morning is what makes you sleepy at night. So if you get good light in the morning, you'll actually fall asleep faster at night too. One habit, two benefits, and it takes 10 minutes. Third thing, and this one sounds obvious, but almost nobody actually does it. Move your body before you look at your phone. It doesn't have to be a workout, walk around the block, stretch for 10 minutes, 20 push ups in your room, anything. When you move, your brain starts producing the chemical that makes you feel focused and motivated naturally. You're basically warming up your brain for the day. But when you grab your phone first, every notification, every post, every message, your brain gets a little hit of stimulation that it didn't earn. And once that starts in the morning, it starts the tone for the whole day. You spend the rest of the day reacting to the things instead of actually directing your own attention. Section 4, protect your sleep. This one is an evening habit, but it's a part of a morning framework because it's what makes the morning possible. 60 minutes before you want to sleep, put the screens away or at least dim them right down. Screens at night confuse your brain into thinking it's still daytime, so your body doesn't start preparing for sleep when it should. You end up lying there unable to switch off, and then your morning is ended before it even starts. Blue light glasses helps, night mode helps a little, but honestly, just put the phone in another room. You will fall asleep faster than you expect. So here's the full thing. 4 steps in order. Same waking time every day, including weekends. Get lights within 30 minutes of waking, outside if you can. Move before you touch your phone, even 10 minutes. That's it. No 5 a.m. club. No hour of journaling before breakfast. Just 4 simple things that work with how your body actually functions. And the person who does this consistently, not perfectly, consistently, quietly starts building an edge, more stable energy, sharper focus, better mood. Didn't need to be motivated every morning, they just build a system that runs itself. If you want to take this further, I put a free 7-day reset guide. It covers everything. your morning, your environment, your focus, your mindset, your energy, day by day, completely free. Link is in the description. If this helps, subscribe because the next video is on something that changed how I work completely. Managing your energy instead of just your time. Totally different concept. See you there.